cute, the little toad.
Oh, that's your jump. How you seen it?
One of the things that I have learned is that Bigfoot is a messy eater, because look at all of the stuff around the bathtub. Because if you're gonna eat in the bathtub, you throw your stuff in the garbage, you just don't throw it all around everywhere like this. This is kind of ridiculous. Garbage like around this drainage area, we need to clean that out so that this area will drain properly. These are the black locust beans that I was talking about just a minute ago. They look like banana peels, don't they? But they're black locust beans. All right, so it looks like we had some cypress trees that made it. Look at that. That is a very healthy cypress tree, and a frog that just jumped into the water. Nice. Got another cypress tree that made it there. We put these out for Arbor Day this year, and so that's pretty cool that those two made it.
How many did you plant?
We planted probably 8 or 9 in here, and that's a cypress tree, and that tree is a cypress tree. We're trying to make a kind of a swampy area here. Snake hole. It has little white, like tasting gummy seeds in it. Yeah, there they are. They're gonna be okay to eat.
Oh, please don't.
Okay, hold on a minute. Focus. There we go. So that is actually, yeah.
What? May I have one?
They're not as gummy flavored as usual.